Hi, I'm John Wendell. I'm from Cebu and currently architecture student here in CIT. And bago ako sumali sa MSB, I'm a student with zero income, literally zero. At nung sumali ako nung March 2022, it's March 3, wala pa yung MSB course mo, coach, yung MSB 2.0, yung palive-live ka lang. Doon ako natuto kay coach. Ayan. Tapos I've got my first million in 2023 after 1 year and since enrolling here in MSB.
Wow, okay. So ngayon, ilan na ba yung clients mo at ilang weeks ka bago kumita sa MSB?
Took me 1 month because wala pa kasi akong ID, coach, noon. Tapos naghahanap ako ng mga ID. Tapos nagka-ID na ako. After 1 week, applying. 10 ata yun sa online jobs.